I mean, really, just really.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erica and you are at the Lopsided Crafter. Grab yourself something to drink, sit back for a spell, and let's talk about all of our yarny goodness and creation. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica, and today I want to talk about something that really truly needs to be addressed. And that, my friends, is bullying. Cyberbullying, to be more exact. And it's just not going on here in the YouTube community. It's going on TikTok. It's going on Instagram. We've seen an influx of bullying at the beginning of 2020 when the world changed. I guess people decided, that they didn't have anything better to do with their life. It's coming back, and it's not just our yarning community that is getting bullied. There's other communities within social media that are also getting bullied. I'm not going to name any channels, and I'm not going to name any names. There's one channel that has decided to turn comments off because of being openly bullied in the comments of their videos. There's another channel that no longer makes videos because they were treated wrong, talked to wrong, and bullied. There is another channel that had to change their whole scope of a video, of multiple videos, because they were bullied in a previous video about what their plan was for the future. There are videos on the whole other spectrum of people that are sharing their daily life on how they eat and what they eat, and they are being told, you need to stop this diet, you need to stop these what you eat in a day videos because you're fat and it's not helping you. They're going on other videos and going on lives on YouTube and just bombarding this husband and wife team. So it's not just happening in our community. I would assume that we probably hear more about it in our community because we are a part of that community. They're invading Facebook lives. They're invading Instagram lives. They're invading TikTok lives. They're invading just your regular run-of-the-mill, everyday podcasts. And it's not just us. So what do we do about it? Well, unfortunately, there's really not a lot that we can do about it to stop them from doing that, but you can stop them from doing it to you to a point. And what I mean by that is block them. Okay? If they are jumping on your YouTube channel, your Instagram posts, your TikTok, your whatever, block them. And if they come back with another account, block that too. You've got to draw the line. You've got to make your own line. And you've got to make your own 6-foot circle. And you only let the people cross the line and in that circle that you want. And if they are causing you heartache or harm or anything else, block them. Block them, okay? And I'm going to say this loud and clear. To whoever told a friend of mine, and I don't remember the exact words, so I'm going to paraphrase here. But whoever told a friend of mine that her channel was horrible because of her southern accent, you come on over to mine. Come on. Because I will talk as southern as you want me to. And you know what? I don't care what you think. And I know she doesn't care what you think either. It's actually kind of hilarious. I know a lot of you have never seen me in this scope. I was born with a disability. I have been made fun of and bullied all of my life. And it took a long time for it to make me hard. A long time. You've got to really, truly do something that hurts me for it to bother me in a very high extreme, if that makes sense. The cyberbullying has to stop. I don't know what we as a community can do other than block them, but we have got to try to figure out what to do. Not recording videos anymore because somebody said something or bullied you only makes them win. It doesn't make you win. Who cares what other people think, really? Who cares? But the bullying has to stop. There are a lot of people in this world that suffer from depression and anxiety. I am one of them, okay? And sometimes the bullying can just like overwhelm you and just suck you up, and sometimes it can make people really go down the spiral. So we've got to come together as a community. Like I said, I don't know what we can do. But if you are a bullier and you are watching this video, shame on you. Shame on you for thinking that it's funny to go on to somebody's comments and harass them. Or to email somebody behind the scenes and tell them what they are doing is wrong. Or email somebody behind the scenes and tell them that they are fat and ugly and every other cuss word that you can think of in the book. How dare you? Grow up, get a life,
and find something else to do other than being so mean to the people that are just trying to share what they love. Plain and simple. Sorry for the tangent, guys. I hope you guys have a great evening. And until next time, happy crocheting, happy knitting, and happy looming. Bye.
Thanks for joining us on The Lopsided Crafter. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. We really, truly appreciate it. Until next time, happy knitting, happy looming, and happy crocheting. Bye.